Q-Straint 1 is an all-in-one wheelchair securement station that eliminates many of the complications of a traditional 4-point system. As a single, all-inclusive solution, it shortens the securement process to half the time, while significantly reducing liability by allowing for the standardization of securement procedures and training. Equipped with visual indicators, auditory feedback, push-button operation, and an easier approach to occupant securement use, it makes securement friendly and intuitive, allowing your operators to proceed with confidence, even with the most complicated mobility devices. Its all-in-one design eliminates the guesswork of properly anchoring securements into the vehicle floor and worries about missing parts and storing various components of the system, while at the same time providing a significantly larger securement area that is better equipped to handle today's increasingly complex mobility devices. The Q-Straint 1 is the only vehicle integrated solution that is fully crash tested to meet the highest standards, including ANSI RESNA WC18. It's a single approach to safety in which securing every mobility device becomes a straightforward process. Prior to loading the passenger into the vehicle, the operator prepares the occupant securement for use by removing it from stowage and attaching the shoulder belt and wall side portion of the lap belt to a connector on the vehicle wall or flip seat. When positioning the passenger in the securement location, the recessed securements provide more clear floor space and eliminate the tripping hazard presented by traditional retractors. Once the passenger is in the securement location, the operator presses the button to release the securements. When this is done, the button will change from green to red, indicating that the securements are unlocked and that it's not safe to drive. Once the button is pressed, the securements are unlocked for 2 minutes while the operator secures the mobility device easily with one hand. With the device secured, the operator can readily access the aisle side portion of the lap belt from the floor and connect it with the rest of the occupant securement, allowing the operator to largely remain out of the passenger's personal space and eliminating the fumbling with and searching for belts that typically slows down the securement process. At this point, the passenger is secured and the operator can lock the system by pressing the push button, or the system will lock automatically once the 2-minute securement time elapses or the parking brake is removed when the operator begins their trip. To learn more, visit qstraint.com.